Hey friends, if you wish to turn keyboard lighting on or off on a laptop, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. And then you will have to do this. Press the function key, the FN key. It is next to the control and when it is in between the control and Windows key. Okay, so you can use this key, and other than this, you can see this is the function key. It's showing on the absolute left on the on-screen keyboard, but it's usually between these two keys. And then try pressing the function keys on the top, which won't show in the on-screen keyboard, but you can try them from F1, F2, F3, etc. to switch on the backlit keyboard or not. And your keyboard may be very different. It depends upon the brand. So it may have a separate key for backlight, and there's one more combination, which is the function key and the left arrow key, if it mentions along with the keyboard symbol. But again, your keyboard should be compatible with backlight, which is not the case with every keyboard. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.